Hey guys, it's Sophia, Shauna, and Elizabeth, and I'm Tim. We're from Punk Rope, and this is long rope trading handles, one of the signature events in the Punk Rope games. And so to start, we have Shauna and Elizabeth on the rope. They're going to be the turners. Sophia's going to be the first jumper. The way this works, maybe we'll just walk through it so people understand. The turners are going to turn. They don't have to turn now. Sophia's going to get into the rope, out of the rope as quickly as she can, grab the handle, although it's not really a handle because it's a cloth rope, but it's going to take the rope from Elizabeth. Now Elizabeth is the jumper. She's going to come in. She's going to get in, out, grab the rope from Shauna. Shauna will complete this three-part extravaganza, and that's one complete round. So when we do this in the Punk Rope games, we go for a full minute, which is a lot of fun, and we see how many successful jumps we can get in that minute. All right, so now we're gonna do this for real, and what you're gonna notice is the turners are gonna turn the rope away from the jumper, so that gives the jumper more time to get into the rope, and then the jumper's gonna exit as quickly as they can. So Sophia's in and she's right out. She grabs that rope. Elizabeth is in and she is right out and she grabs that rope. So you have to be working very cooperatively so that the rope doesn't go flying. So that's a complete round. That was 3. Okay. There's part 1 of the second round. And there's part 2, and you see they're working very nicely together. And there's part 3. Awesome. So they haven't rehearsed this at all, I promise you that. But if they had, their goal would be 1 turn, jumper gets in, right out, grabs the handle, 1 turn, right in, right out, and they would work on their speed. But that was flawless. That was beautiful. So that's a nice little activity that you can try with your long rope. And if you have any questions, jot them down below and we'll answer them right away. And subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and we will see you next time.